In the previous lecture, we learned about determination of the intensity of sound. Now from equation 3, the two sounds whose intensities are to be compared are made to produce vibration in the pipe turn by turn, and the respective deflection on the scale is observed in case the ratio of this deflection gives the ratio of intensities of the sounds. Now next we learn about hot wire microphone. Hot wire microphone. The hot wire microphone was designed during the war to detect the enemy guns by receiving the sound of their explosions. Later on, it was modified to use for the measurement of sound intensity. Now let's see its construction. It consists of a grid of platinum wire which is held in a small glass rod mounted on a mica disc. The ends of the grids are soldered to a pair of silver annulus attached to the faces of the mica disc. Now this arrangement is mounted in the neck of a Helmholtz resonator. This is Helmholtz resonator, and this is the neck of a Helmholtz resonator, which is placed in an arm of Wheatstone bridge. A steady current is passed through the grid such that the grid is heated to just below red hot. At this stage, the bridge is balanced. Now when the sound whose intensity is to be measured is sent into the resonator, the air in the neck of the resonator is set into vibration and cools the hot grid, whose resistance therefore decreases. Consequently, the bridge is no longer balanced and the galvanometer in the circuit gives a deflection, that is, shows a deflection. Thus the arrival of sound is detected. And the deflection is proportional to the sound intensity. Hence the microphone can be used as a measure of sound, can be used to measure the sound of intensity. So this is the hot wire microphone. We see its construction and its working. Now next we will see about the acoustics of building. Let's see what is acoustics of building. Acoustics of building. So it was developed by the First, it is tackled by this problem by the WC7 in 1911. Acoustics of building. The acoustics properties of a building or a confined space such as hall or a room have a marked effect on speech and music.